I just got one of my dream bags in Paris. I thought about this bag for so long, and it finally happened. It happened. So let's unbox it. Okay, so we got it in the Champs-Élysées in Paris. Okay, first we get rid of the papers. We have this small little box, and then we have this a little bit bigger box. I'm just gonna open the bag first because that makes sense. Look at the color. I feel like a child on Christmas. I have to remove the protection off of these things. So I've been wanting to get like the Lady Dior for a long time. And I finally did, and it's red. Wait. I got something for it. It's the second little boxy box. I also got this little chain. You put it here. And with it, you get like a longer strap as well. And also with the Lady D, you get the little planner thingy. Plan your life. And I got it dirty and record timing. And then this is how it looks. Look at the chain. I absolutely... She's making fun of me. Anyway, yeah. It matches my hair. Yeah, I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. Right? Tears of joy. Do we like it?